Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to use Vidiq tool to improve your YouTube channel SEO. So let me go here and select a video. Let me scroll down. This one is the video that now I want to upload. And now here you can see I got some suggestions from the Vidiq. So make sure that you have installed this Chrome extension. And now here you can see I got some titles. So I think this one is the perfect. After that I can copy this title and add in the description. Now here I can get some description using AI tool. Then next, now here you can see AI description generator. I can also generate the description as well as here I can generate thumbnail. And then if I scroll down, here you can see keyword inspector as well as tags.